New car update. The 2025 Toyota Highlander continues to uphold its reputation as a reliable and versatile midsize SUV, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and modern features. This year's model introduces several noteworthy updates that enhance its appeal to both existing fans and potential new owners. Under the hood, the 2025 Highlander is powered by a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering a robust 265 horsepower. This engine replaces the previous V6, providing comparable performance with improved fuel efficiency. Drivers can expect a smooth and responsive driving experience, whether navigating city streets or embarking on long highway journeys. For those prioritizing fuel economy, the Highlander Hybrid remains an excellent choice, now featuring standard all-wheel drive across all hybrid trims. This system ensures enhanced traction and stability, particularly in challenging driving conditions. The hybrid powertrain combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors, producing a combined 243 horsepower and impressive fuel efficiency, making it ideal for eco-conscious families. Inside, the 2025 Highlander offers a spacious and thoughtfully designed cabin, accommodating up to 8 passengers comfortably. The interior materials have been upgraded, providing a premium feel throughout. One of the significant enhancements for this model year is the introduction of a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, standard on the XSE trim and available on higher trims. This high-resolution display offers customizable views, allowing drivers to access vital information at a glance. Additionally, the infotainment system features a user-friendly interface with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensuring seamless connectivity for all occupants. To commemorate a quarter-century of excellence, Toyota introduces the Highlander Hybrid Limited 25th Edition for 2025. This special edition stands out with unique exterior accents, including 20-inch alloy wheels with a silver finish and distinctive badging. Inside, the cabin boasts exclusive touches such as portobello-colored leather-trimmed seats and embossed headrests featuring the 25th edition logo. Limited to a production run of 2,500 units, this model offers a blend of luxury and exclusivity for discerning buyers. Safety remains a top priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Highlander reflects this commitment by equipping all trims with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard. This comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems includes features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and automatic high beams. These technologies work cohesively to enhance driver awareness and mitigate potential hazards on the road. In terms of versatility, the Highlander continues to impress with its ample cargo space and flexible seating configurations. The third-row seats can be easily folded flat to expand cargo capacity, accommodating larger items when needed. Families will appreciate the ease of access to the third row, thanks to the sliding second-row seats, which also offer reclining functionality for added comfort during longer trips. For those seeking a more dynamic appearance, the XSE trim offers sportier styling cues, including a unique front grille design, blacked-out accents, and 20-inch alloy wheels. The sport-tuned suspension on the XSE provides a more engaging driving experience without compromising ride comfort, appealing to drivers who desire a blend of practicality and performance. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Highlander builds upon its legacy of reliability and family-friendly features with thoughtful updates that cater to modern needs. Whether you prioritize efficiency, technology, or style, the diverse trim levels and configurations ensure there's a Highlander suited to your preferences. With its combination of performance, comfort, and advanced safety features, the 2025 Highlander remains a compelling choice in the midsize SUV segment.